In this video, I will be walking you through how to make a batch in the batch management screen and how to queue it for Snap. I will not be showing you how to do certain other things with batches like filtering out SKUs or manipulating the shipments to only ship to the US instead of Canada or anything like that. We're simply going to make a straightforward batch and queue it for Snap. So the very first thing that you want to be doing is you want to ensure that you're working with the appropriate warehouse. In this example, I want to be working with Mexico, but up here in the top right corner of the screen, you can change to Lehigh, the Netherlands, New Jersey, wherever you need to go. You need to make sure that if you're pushing in orders from Mexico, that you are on the Mexico screen. So I already have Mexico selected. Now I need to navigate to the batch management screen. I can do this two ways. Here on my main screen, I can click on batch management right here. Or I can go into orders and I can go to batch management. That's what I will do now. Once on the batch management screen, there are several pieces of information that I am looking at. The first is that I have 200 packages that I can batch in Mexico right now. In order to get a better idea of what those packages contain, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to select Item Breakdown. And it will give me a breakdown of all the items within that batch. So this column right here is the quantity of items that are in that batch. This column right here is the quantity of items that are available in Mexico based off of the numbers in Snap. And this quantity right here is the total quantity on hand, not including what's been allocated. So this allocated table or column right here, it lets you know that there is already a single shadow palette 3 that's already been allocated. So that is reflected in the available quantity. As you can see, the on hand is 2380. The available quantity is 2379. So this available quantity is accounting for what's already been allocated. In the batch, we only have 2, so we are good to go with pushing those in. And you just want to take a moment to scroll through all of these and just double check that you aren't pushing in a product that the Mexico warehouse does not have. GTI will alert you if you are. It will highlight the row in the table. And in that case, you might want to go through some other steps just to ensure that you are still okay to push that through. In this instance, we have nothing that is holding us from pushing in these 200 packages. So I'm going to scroll all the way down here and I'm going to hit Create Unique Batch. Once the batch is created, it will show up right here on this table at the bottom of the screen, and it will say Queue for Snap, Edit, or Delete. And if you are good to push it into the Mexico Snap, then you will just hit Queue for Snap, and it will send those 200 packages into Mexico. Up here at the top, you will see a notification that indicates that you were successfully able to queue that batch for Snap. And down here, that batch, which was 11095 with 200 packages in it, has been queued for Snap.